Today we are going to do this design. It's a heart. It can be a clover. And so that's what we've done. We've taken hearts and we're going to turn it into clover. Make a little clover. You can do each heart a different color, the background a different color, these squares a different color. I'm just doing these two colors because they're vibrant and they're beautiful colors, and I'm hoping they'll show up really well on camera. So that's why I've chosen these colors, this color. So let's get started. So in order to start a heart design, it always has the same count. So this heart always has the same count. So if you want to do this heart in this corner, and that corner, and that corner, and that corner, it's always the hearts the same. No matter where you want to put it on your canvas, even if you want to do it on a new canvas, the heart count is always the same. So we're going to learn how to make a heart today. So the center is here. And see, all four corners start in the center. That's the center of the heart. The center of the heart is in the center here. Hence why we have the little dot there. Okay? So from the center, you're going to count out. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means we're going to count from the center 8. The first part of the heart is going to be 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then you notice it's going to go up 3 on the same row. That's going to come down, go back up, and go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember this hump, because a couple times I've done hearts and I've put it down and looked at it and they were all the same. I was like, whoops. So I had to cut it and restitch it. So I usually do each heart as either one strand, or I finish it off and then start a new heart. Because that way, if you goof up, you can just run your scissors up underneath this, snip it, and redo the heart. So just remember, from the first one, you're going to go 3 in the same row. Then you're going to come back down and go back up. So that's going to be a little confusing when you first get started doing hearts, but I'll do it with you very slow. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3. What that means is this. Doesn't matter where I start. Doesn't matter. Okay? Because you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. Okay? So I'm going to hold my string like we always do. Alright? Now remember, this is the row. The same row. So it's going to be a straight line here no matter what. So I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to go in that one. I'm going to stay in the same row because the bottom of the heart is flat. Same row. And then I'm going to go in the same row here. Remember, we have 3 of those. So I'm going to go in the next row. And then I'm going to go in the same row. Okay? So remember that other one that's going to come down one? I'm just going to go, instead of going in this one and going in this one, I'm going to go in this one. Does that make sense? So we'll count it. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is 5. So we'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if that helps you better, we can do it that way too. Except for I did it the wrong way. Hold on. Whoops. Let's start over. It happens. Okay. Remember, we're going to start from the flat part. So we're going to go on our flat part. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. See? 1, 2, 3. 3 in the same row, and we went down 1. So now we're going to go up 1. So when we go up 1, see here? So it's going to be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I counted right, we're going to go in this hole. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it should look the same. Let's see if I can get it angled the right way where you can kind of see it. There we go. Okay, so see, we kind of have the same so far. The flat side, we've got 3, go down 1, go back up 1. Now see how these are all in the same row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know 4 of them are going to be in the same row. So we're going to start from the flat side. And then we're going to go the same row. If we need to count it, we can count it. Let's count it. Got this one done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're going to do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that's 6. So we're going to go in the flat one. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to go in the center. There's our center heart. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to do 6. Same with the other side. Now we're going to go up this way. Okay, because there's the black spot. So you know that this line and this line and this line and this line is flat. So you're not going to go here. Right here, okay? Because you got all this right here. We're going to count from here. So we're going to go up this row. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're not going to go here or here or here or there. We're going to stay flat. Remember, this end is flat. Start with the flat side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember, 4 of them are in the same little row. So now we're going to count. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 and 4, right? I don't know which way to hold it so you guys can see. Okay, there we go. And then what was the one that goes down? Remember the one that's going to go down? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got the little 4. So we got to do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so now it's come down 1. What was the tall one again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we've gone up, down, up, down. So now we're going up, down, up. Now we got to go down. So we're going to start here. And we're going to stay in the same row as this one. Remember, these were in the same row. These 3 are going to be the same row. Whoops, wrong hole. There we go. So now you made your first heart. Okay. So now you made your first heart. What I normally do is go through here. And you can snip it and start new hearts, because if you want to do a new color, you can snip it right there. But we're going to keep using the same color. So we're going to do the same. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, start with the same row. So we know we're going to be in the same row, because we know that this row and this row is the same. We got to go up 3. 3 of them are going to be the same. And then this one's going to come down 1. So it's going to go to that hole. And then this one is going to go up 1. So we're going to go up 1 hole. Hold on my string. There we go. I've done lost my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry about that. I should have kept counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I forgot to count. I forgot I was doing a tutorial here there for a minute. I was just going to stitch my heart away. Alright. So now we're back at the center. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to go back up the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember this count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have the up, down, up, up, down, up. And then we're going to do the end of the heart. It's going to be in the same row, like that. So, run your string through, snip off the extra, and you're done. The heart design, you can do it any way you want. You can put 2 colors here and the background a different color, or you can do it all one color, or you can do all 4 different colors, however you want. I'm just choosing to do 2 colors so that you can get an idea of what it looks like, okay? So, with that being said, I'm going to zoom it in so that way you can see. Go this way, there we go, so that you can see the heart. So that you can see clearly how it's done. It goes 1, 2, 3, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 1, 2, 3. These are in the same, these are the same. This is always flat. So I always start my needle through the flat side so that this way I don't get so confused up here. And see, the other hearts will intertwine here. They'll intermix with this one, just like you see here. See there? So, but that's your heart design. And then, like I said, they're connected right there. They're touching each other. And it can be a bow. I mean, you can make a bow tie. If you want to do a Father's Day thing, you know, you can make it a bow tie. Turn it into a bow tie. That'd be kind of cool. Or you could just do 2 hearts. So, with this same page, I'm going to show you how to do it in the corner. Okay, so this is how you do it in a corner. All right, let's zoom back out. Okay, let's say you want to do a corner heart. Never do it in the same row as this because it's going to blend in. I normally count in 1, 2, 3. I normally count in 3, always. 1, 2, 3. That's where my little black dot would be. That's where the center of my heart would be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to start here. And then I'm going to hold it down. And remember, the first one is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So my first one's 3. You know, you're going to go through the flat side. And then you're going to stay in the same rows. Remember? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're staying in the same hole. The next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to come in through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we got there. Okay, now we got to come in 1. Remember? We got to go down 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start here. We're going to go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to go up 1. So we're going to go up 1 right here. So now we have the down, up, down. And so the next 4 are going to be the exact same. They're going to be in the same 4 rows. Okay. So now I have my 4 again. Okay. So now we have our 4 again. So remember it's, hold on. So we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're going to go here. We're going to do 6. So we have 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we've established where the next row is going to go. So you'll either automatically know to go to this one or count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The heart takes a little time to get used to the count. But then once you do 1 or 2, you kind of memorize it. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have the 4. Now we need the down. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go right here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to go up 1. So we got to go up the 1. Remember, we got to go up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one, you're going to go 1, 1, 2, 3. So now you have a heart in the corner. So now you have the heart in the corner. Like that. And always count in 3. So that way it leaves you some border space right here. So 1, 2, 3. The lines are complete and there's my heart. So you can do a center heart, or you can do it like this. You could put a heart there if you wanted. So you can kind of do whatever you want with this design. It's pretty much whatever you want to do, how you want to do it. And like I said, different colors, different designs. So this is what you got once you get done. That's what it looks like. So here is what the end result would look like. If you did this corner heart, this is what it looks like. See how I told you I went in 3, 1, 2, 3. So you'll go all the way to the end of this heart, and then you'll just go and fill it in. See how your lines, there's the center. Any of your design starts with the center. See how the lines are? See? Let's see if you can see if I put them together. See it? I don't know if y'all can see through that or not, but see? The lines are always the same. They match up. See? The line here, the line here, the line there, and the line here. See how it matches up with this design? So if you chose to do the corner square heart design, you can do it this way. This and this is the same color, and I chose a different kind of pink. So you could do this, or you could do this, or you can do this. So this kind of gives you a few ideas on some really nice way to mix it up a little bit. You can do it for birthdays, you could do it for Valentine's Day, you can do it for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. This design is endless, and you can do different colors. It doesn't have to be these colors. I only chose these colors because I was hoping they would show up on camera for you. If somebody has a green and brown room, you can do the hearts in green and the rest of it in brown. I mean, you know, if their room is purple, then do it in purple. If their house is tan, you know, do it in tan. So, you know, you can kind of make these color coordinate with people's living rooms or their bedroom if they want one for their bed, nightstand for by their bed. So I hope this helps you with this design. We are going to next move on to how to fill in. So we're going to do the fill in part. This is going to be the next part of this video series. So thanks for watching. Please let me know that you like this video and you want to see more. Comment below. I love comments. They help me. If you have any ideas, something I might have missed, tips, suggestions, please always comment them below. I do read them. I do try to translate them if they are not in English. So sometimes the translation doesn't always come out the right way. So I do try to translate exactly what your comment is. So I do appreciate that for those who don't comment in English. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Have a wonderful week.